Today, we are trying 10 iconic Aussie foods. We're actually trying a lot of the stuff you guys suggested for us.
And you guys suggested a hell of a lot of stuff.
And the thing we're trying last, I never thought I'd be trying ever in my entire life.
And I'm scared. So we are starting with an Aussie classic. It is the Tim Tam. And apparently, you're not a true Aussie and you haven't experienced a Tim Tam until you've done Tim Tam Slam.
But is that like a myth or is that like a real thing?
It's a
Because
real
I feel
thing.
like Aussies are gonna be like, you know what, that's only what tourists do.
Okay, maybe it is, but we're tourists, so we're gonna do it.
We are gonna have, drum roll please.
Oh, so this is what these are for?
Yep. Milo, so bite off both ends. God, it's so sickly.
Are you sure this is right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's all over my face. Bro, that actually works. That actually works, and now the Tim Tam's soggy.
Next up, we have Vegemite. Quite possibly the most divisive Australian food there is.
Did you know it's actually made from yeast extract, which is left over from beer brewing? So it's like recycling,
How on earth do you know that?
because it's about beer.
Thinly spread bit of Vegemite on buttered toast is apparently what you go for. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Are you getting Marmite?
Need more.
Need more?
Barely even taste that. It's like a bitter Marmite. Like a kind of not very nice version of Marmite, sorry guys.
I love it. Oh my gosh. That stuff is...
It tastes like Marmite
Nice.
that's been burnt. I want to try a bit, like on its own.
We've been warned not to do this, by the way.
Yeah, but
Don't have a bit on its own. You're never meant to have a bit on its own.
I've had Marmite on its own. It's only right.
Okay.
Marmite on its own is good. That's not. No. No.
Hell no!
Wait for it. Get it around your mouth. Get it around your mouth. Right? I don't think you had a big enough bit.
That was okay, I think.
Number 3 is a cherry ripe. And apparently this is one of the oldest chocolate bars still in production in Australia. Yeah, and it's a bit of a weird combo. So it's cherries, dark chocolate, and coconut. And James doesn't like the coconut combo.
I hate, not just in the cherry ripe, in everything. I just hate coconut in general. I absolutely despise coconut with all of my being.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah,
That bad?
that bad. I just hate the texture of it.
I
Oh,
love it.
oh, it's just, no, not for me. So if I take a bite of this, you guys have to like the video for more support.
Yeah.
So take a moment right now to like the video, and then I will take a bite out of this.
Are you gonna have half?
I'd no way on this earth am I having half.
All right, have a little
Oh.
Why is it pink? Look at that. Oh, it smells nice. Ready? Go. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. In the.
Like the video right now. It wasn't that bad, but it was like, if I didn't ever have a cherry ripe again in my life,
I'd be upset.
it wouldn't be a loss. So next up, we have Anzac biscuits. What does Anzac mean? You cannot...
Australian national.
You're wrong already.
Australia, New Zealand. Australia,
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Army Corporation. Army.
Yeah, pretty much.
Corporation.
Australian and New Zealand Army.
And New Zealand are. Okay.
But they don't put the
Yeah.
other in there. Australia and New Zealand Army Corps. We're going to let you into a secret here. We've had these so many times and they're actually our favourite biscuits in Australia.
In the world. It's just the same. Like, it's just as good every time.
The trick is to get a soft Anzac biscuit. The hard ones are like they're really tough. These.
Guys, I don't even understand.
It's unbelievable. If you have not tried an Anzac biscuit, go to Woolies or Coles and grab yourself some Anzac biscuits.
I think the Woolies bakery one's the best.
Yeah.
So next up, we have...
we had
before James dropped it, a Pavlova. Australians, you guys might say it's yours, but New Zealanders also claim it as theirs. So I don't know, this is not our debate. Let us know in the comments, argue it out yourselves. I don't know whose it is, but it's here in Australia with James and Josie currently. Also, disclaimer, I actually have Pavlova every Christmas.
You tried this before? You've not tried an Australian one though?
No.
Where did you get this today?
Woolies. Sorry guys, you're gonna all shout and you're gonna say it's actually...
We were meant to get one from a local bakery.
I looked for one, but...
You couldn't find it?
Couldn't find any.
Okay.
Look, I think what's killing it for me is the meringue. Huh?
The who?
The who now? The meringue. Because it's a pretty rubbish meringue.
I think we made a mistake by getting that from Woolies.
But you can kind of still, you can kind of still taste the flavour profile.
You can, and it's not for me. It's not my cup of tea.
Really?
Yeah.
No, it's my cup of tea. I'll have
really?
that. Yeah.
So next up, we have a Lamington. And now this was one of the most suggested things. It is made up of sponge, chocolate. I think this one has jam inside.
Yeah, I accidentally think I bought all my jam inside because I thought that's meant to happen.
So we've got sponge, chocolate, jam in this occasion.
And the dreaded coconut. James' favourite. Oh, that's not as... What the hell? That's not as soft as I...
Ooh, okay.
I think the jam's going to help you feel better about it. That is going to help me. But I don't...
So that kind of looks like a Victoria sponge inside. You see that? It's got like a layer of jam.
Guys, have I really messed things up by getting it with jam inside? Please let us know, because I don't know if this is like divisive maybe amongst Aussies whether you get jam inside.
Are you sure they don't always just come with jam?
Yeah, because I literally looked at both packets, and again, we couldn't find any in the bakery because the bakeries around us are apparently really bad and didn't have a Lamington. So I had to get it from Woolies. So
I'm just gonna stay quiet and try and eat this one.
I don't like the...
Cheers.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That was better than the cherry ripe.
No.
That was better than the Pavlova.
No.
For my opinion.
No.
And you completely disagree. You hated that.
I hated that. I'll tell you what.
What?
If we had got that from a bakery where it was homemade, I reckon that would be one of my favourite things I've ever eaten.
Do you think? The next thing we are going to try, just wait. Just wait for us to order it, and we're going to order it from the chip shop, just like we've been told to.
You already know what's going on.
Yeah, you should know. I mean, a lot of you suggested this, so you probably know already. But yeah, I'm excited for this half of the video is going to be my favourite half. We have been told specifically to make the true Australian burger, which is what we're trying.
Guys, I don't know about this. We need
specific ingredients. So, egg, pineapple, bacon,
cheese,
tomato, lettuce, and beetroot.
And obviously the burger. That's
quite a combination, and I'm not sure what to expect. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I didn't know what I'd think about that beetroot, but the beetroot makes a massive. Maybe it's the pineapple, or maybe together they make this like I've never tasted a burger quite with those flavours.
I don't like the pineapple. I like beetroot, don't like the pineapple.
See, I disagree. I like the pineapple and the beetroot together. I think it makes this like, it's this like sweet kick inside the burger.
It's soggy.
I think that's one problem when you have so much, especially beetroot in a burger and tomatoes. You run the risk of it becoming a bit sloppy, a bit soggy. Okay, so next up we have this thing called a Chiko roll or a Chiko roll.
Oh,
Could be a Chiko
pronouncing
roll.
Chiko, like Chiko time. It's Chiko time.
And it's like a battered, let me split it in half.
It's like a spring roll, I
Can we
think.
cut it in half?
Yeah. I think it's
It's like the spring roll's Australian cousin.
weird Australian cousin.
The weird Australian cousin. And it's battered. Is that batter or what is that?
I think it's...
It's like...
Yeah, it's batter. Deep
Yeah.
fried. Oh, I didn't expect it to look like that inside. Is that rice? Oh, shut up. Is that like a...
It's got like
No.
vegetables inside. You ready?
Yeah. Holy moly.
No. Stop the video. That is unbelievable.
What is that?
What on earth? What is inside this? We've just had a little search as to what is inside a Chiko or a Chiko roll.
What's not inside of it?
Let us know how to pronounce that, by the way. It has cabbage, barley, so you were right, carrot, green beans, beef tallow,
I don't know what that is.
neither do I, wheat cereal, celery, and onion. When researching for this video, I was reading that these rolls were primarily made for football games. Can you imagine having a beer in one hand, a Chiko roll in the other, and watching the football at the same time in the sun? Oh,
Yeah.
no, don't.
No, do.
That sounds like perfection.
I don't
This is a dim sim. Now, when I saw dim sim suggested, I was like, hang
You
on
said
a
that's
minute.
not Australian.
Yeah, that's not Australian. That sounds like Chinese. But I think it's just Chinese inspired.
I don't like the look of it.
Cut it open.
I'm not happy about this one.
You're not happy with the
No,
look, are you?
I'm not happy,
But
or the
just
feel.
just wait for the taste. Ooh.
No. Do you know what that looks like?
What?
Guys, you're never going to want to eat a dim sum again. Look at that and tell me that doesn't look like those rolls for your dog. I've got to go.
What's inside it?
I don't know. Ooh, she's salty. Oh.
Very salty. Like, I don't know if it's just this one in particular, but this one is very salty.
Oh, no. No.
Really?
No. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in a bush tucker trial. No, I really don't like that.
You really
No,
didn't
but-
like that.
That's really upset me. That's really upset me.
Guys, what are we eating?
This is the same thing, but steamed. With
Not going near that. I'm not going near that. That looks like quite... The other one looked like dog food. This one looks like what you end up with after you take your dog for a walk.
it's because it's got soy sauce on it.
Okay, well, here we go.
No, James, I
This
can't.
looks like
No,
dog
James, I
food
can't,
with
I can't.
dog gravy on top.
I'm gonna be sick.
We've actually got a bonus Australian food.
Finger lines.
This was not suggested or recommended by anybody, but we thought, we've never heard of this before. Apparently it's native Australian, so we thought we'd, give it a try.
They're from subtropical rainforest areas, predominantly between Queensland and New South Wales. They are also referred to as like caviar, but like the fruit caviar.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they're used in salads or with seafood. Cut it that way. No? Oh, this looks like a real bit of me.
That is sour.
This is like
That is so sour.
sensory.
Don't eat it all up.
Oh my god, guys, that's the best thing I've ever tasted in my life.
I hate that so much. I hate
I'm
that
obsessed.
with passion. It looks like a sausage. So last but not least, number 10, which is quite possibly the most controversial on our list. We are having kangaroo. Now, for us Brits, kangaroo feels like a strange thing to eat because it's normally, like, it's the iconic animal of Australia. And it's normally something you'd see on a postcard. And to actually be eating it is quite a weird thing to say. Do you know what I mean? But in Australia, it's actually quite normal. And you can buy kangaroo meat in a supermarket. Like, it's that normalised here. And it's actually quite a sustainable choice of meat.
Guys, it's going everywhere.
That looks unbelievable. Oh my gosh.
Hopefully I've cooked it and done it justice with the way I've cooked it. I'm kind of scared to try it. I think it's going to be like veal.
Oh, it smells so good.
I don't know what it's going to taste like.
How is it to cook?
Easy, like a steak.
Yeah.
Oh. Not as tender as I thought. Chewier than I thought.
Very chewy.
Not sure if I cooked it wrong or...
You're right. It does taste like beef steak.
This is the fillet. So when I was in the supermarket, there was sizzle steaks, and fillet. And there was also mince, actually. It was kangaroo mince.
Bloody hell. They had everything.
I think they had kangaroo stir fry as well. Like stir fry pieces.
So that's how normalised it is here. It just...
Yeah.
It's like buying beef or pork. You guys got to let us know in the comments if we made the right choice with the fillet. I'm not unhappy about what I'm tasting. So there we go. 10 iconic Australian foods from Tim Tams all the way to kangaroo. So we want to know, did we miss anything? Did we miss any of your favourites? And if we did, drop a comment and let us know which one we missed. And if we have enough things that we missed, maybe, just maybe, we'll make a part 2.
As always, if you liked the video, like the video.
And if you like kangaroo, and if you don't like kangaroo, and if you've never heard of a kangaroo, subscribe to the damn channel.
Yeah, all of the above. Just subscribe to the damn channel.
And if you enjoy videos like this one, let us know and we'll make some more. We'll see you in the next one.